Hey guys, Mike from Recording in Progress. Today we're going to be going through an unboxing. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is a voiceover recording because I lost the audio track a couple weeks back and I wanted to record this video. On my little, if you can see it in my iPhone, my little Xiaomi Mi 4K Plus. Anyway, in the first package you get 5 cables and 5, and in the other package you get the same. So let's just go ahead and tear this thing open. Obviously you can't hear the sounds of it because this is a voiceover, but you can imagine that it sounded like plastic being opened. Yeah, I'm just inspecting the cable to make sure there's no tears or in it, or just to make sure that they all come nice and neat, and they do, honestly. All of them were the exact same. It's almost like they have a production line or something. Yeah, these are wrapped in like this hard shell plastic case to make sure that they don't move in shipping a whole lot. And by the way, just in case you were wondering, they have zero protective packaging. It's just these cables thrown into a plastic bag, like duct taped together and just shipped via USPS. So if you want to know, that's exactly how they shipped it to me. I'm gonna go ahead and plug these in. Yeah, heck yeah, and see if they work. And it does, because this is 2 weeks later, and I know it does because I've seen this video like 20 times and I'm just recording a voiceover. So let's cut to me testing all of them. Wow, that was a really cool 2 seconds of our time, right? Anyway, this blue plastic does come off. It's one of the weird shipping things that the industry does to make sure that the glossy plastic part of it, that's like not even an inch long if you combine the front and back end that go into the cable, just doesn't get scratched. It's honestly creates so much unnecessary plastic. And I can go on about a rant about unnecessary plastic for an hour because I work at Starbucks. But I'm not going to be talking about that right now. I'm just going to be showing you that my iPhone works, that there's no weird touch disease or anything that comes from these cables. That just works. And I think the fact that you can buy something that just works on eBay for like 20 bucks, not even 20 bucks, 14 bucks plus tax, is pretty dope. Here's a shot of all the cables together because I thought it was kind of humorous. If you guys want to like and subscribe, that would be cool. If not, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.